In this video, I'm going to compare Cash App and Apple Pay to help you decide which one is better for low-fee money transfers. Both apps make it easy to send money digitally, but they work differently depending on how you use them. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. Let's start with Cash App. Cash App is designed mainly for peer-to-peer money transfers. You can send and receive money using a phone number, email address, or cash tag. Standard transfers to your bank account are free, while instant deposits usually include a small fee. Cash App also offers additional features like the Cash App Card, Bitcoin support, stock investing, and direct deposits, making it more than just a payment app. Now let's talk about Apple Pay. Apple Pay is mainly built around contactless payments and the Apple Wallet ecosystem. With Apple Pay, you can send money to other Apple users through Apple Cash directly inside the Messages app or Wallet app. Apple Pay transfers between Apple Cash users are usually free, and standard bank transfers are also free. Instant transfers to debit cards may include a fee, similar to Cash App. One of the biggest differences is device compatibility. Apple Pay works best within the Apple ecosystem, meaning you'll need an iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, or other Apple device to use all of its features. Cash App works across both iPhone and Android devices, making it more flexible for many users. If your main goal is simple money transfers between Apple users, Apple Pay is very convenient and integrates smoothly with iPhones. But if you want more financial features, broader compatibility, and tools like Bitcoin or a debit card, Cash App may be the better option. Overall, both platforms offer low-fee transfers, but the better choice depends on whether you prefer Apple's ecosystem or a more flexible payment app like Cash App. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.